How about the specific statutory powers? Specific statutory powers. The board also has specific statutory powers. Specific statutory powers. Now, certain powers are explicitly granted to the directors to ensure the company functions effectively. Such powers include allotment of shares. One, allotment of shares. Allotment of shares. This is the power to issue new shares subject to shareholder authorization and subject to what we call preemption rights. So the board has the power to issue new shares, but that issuing of new shares is subject to the shareholder approval or authorization. 2, borrowing powers. Now, the authority to raise loans, the authority to issue debentures, and also to pledge company assets as a security is also one of the statutory powers of the board. Borrowing powers. 3, appointment of the company's officers. Now, in local entities, the company's officers comprise the directors and also the company secretary. The board has the power to appoint the CEO, the senior management, and the corporate secretary. Those are the officers of the company as per the Companies Act. That is number 3. Number 4, calling meetings. The board has the power to call meetings. This is the authority to convene AGMs, to convene extraordinary meetings, and special general meetings. That is the power of the board. That is a statutory power. The law gives these directors the power to call such meetings. 5, dividend recommendation. Dividend recommendation. Now, while shareholders approve the dividend, only the board has the power to recommend the amount that the shareholders are to be paid. That is the power of the board to recommend dividends that are paid to the shareholders. So these are 6 specific statutory powers.